It's Midlife Crisis 101X. Good morning, hello, welcome to the channel. So we are on our way to the Cannonbawz Run, and we're in Scotland. We've got plenty of fuel, but something I've noticed, apart from the place is very beautiful, there aren't any petrol stations. I mean, we are out in the wilds here, and there's traffic lights for no real particular reason. And yeah, there's no petrol stations. Yeah, it's awful. Cannonbawz, we are at our first fuel stop. It's a lot cheaper up here, so we're 157.9 up in Scotland, and it was 171, I believe, back in Lincoln at our last refuel. So we're just shy of Glasgow at the moment. The car is hateful, it's slow, doesn't like the hills. Maybe I'm going to send it through a river, forward. Maybe I'll send this one through the sea. Who knows? Who knows? But for now, it's Cannonbawz. We're heading up further north. So we've got stickers. We've got our own stickers now. So we are now going to do the adventure I go. Why isn't it the 107, the indestructible 107? Because I broke it. That's why. I broke the indestructible 107. That's how I broke it. The fuel pump let go. The night before we were due to come away on Cannonbawz. So we went out and we've got the adventure I go. It's not quite as fast as 107, but it's got stickers, and that counts for horsepower, right? Harley Owners Group. I knew it'd come in handy. I might not have the hog with me, not on this rally, but I knew it'd come in handy. So that is the first stage out of the way. The cars here, they're all lined up in a different order. And we go around. Oh, Mark III Escort there. Got a Lotus there, got the MX-5s there. There's even an R33 GTR in the background there. And the BMW. I overtook this guy earlier. Hope he won't yell at me too much. But yeah, this is an amazing little beast. It's done really well. So yeah, this is the first stage out of the way. The roads here, amazing. Wow, thank you, Kris at Cannonbawz. What an amazing first stage. We'll update you with the next one at the next stop. What kept you?
Oh, 20%.
Oh, no, thanks. That wasn't quite what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, we're all hard on the brakes there. So we've got the BMWs out the front, but I think he's just met something coming the other way. The cars, we had those drive past earlier. They sound absolutely fantastic. So we've now made it to the third stop. There's a beautiful Porsche. Take you for a little walk around the cars that are here on the rally, on the Cannonbawz. So yeah, I'm not quite sure where we are. We're at a place. Yeah, I'm not sure. There's no signs where I am. But I've just had probably the best burger of my life. Absolutely incredible. That's Alfa Romeo there. Just take you for another nice wander through the cars. Coming up to the Mark III Escort. It's still running. What's hiding under the hinge bonnet of that? Sneaky. So some of you earlier saw the R33 GTR. He sent it along earlier, as with all Jack cars, all the old school stuff. At some point, the bonnet's going to be up. But let's have a look. It's got an actual genuine. It's a genuine car. The RB26 engine in there. We know it's a genuine one because he's got tools out on the floor. And he's making it go even faster. That's the story. I thought we were emerging from these roads, and this is the road that it has presented me with. Yeah, it's truly strange. All I can say is don't break down out here. Cars arriving in Port Nokia. There's Kris, the man himself, Cannonbawz.
You alright? You having a good day?
Epic. What an event.
Amazing, man.
What an event. So it is Kris from Cannonbawz in Hot Boars.
Hot Boys, the Hot Boys mobile.
It is. What an amazing place.
Stunning there. We even got the sun out for you as well.
Absolutely amazing. He got it going again. Well, it's the end. We've got here. We've finally made it, as you've seen. Cannonbawz Run. What an adventure. Absolutely amazing day out. Literally 250 miles in one day. Met some really good people. The scenery's been amazing. I hope you've enjoyed the video. There are more coming out. We've got a lot more road trips planned. Myself, Tom Sunderland, who's currently filming now. But thanks for watching. Don't forget, share, subscribe, like. You know what to do on the channel. And we'll see you on the next one.